everyone. This is Daddy GP. Today I am unboxing an item from Shopee that I ordered online. This is about a weigh scale from Xiaomi. I hope it's functioning, or because look at, there's a dent on the side of the box. Mayroon pong sira yung box sa gilid. Tingnan natin kung ano, baka sira tong item na to. I hope it's not. Wow, look at the box. It's all dents and the sides, all sides, that's dents. There's a tear up
Ulit-ulitin ko
here.
pa ba?
And there are dents again on the other side, and other side too. There's all dents on the corner. And look at, there's a they tried to open the seal, parang pinuklat tapos ibinalik.
Paano
Parang
masabi?
may kinuha lang, parang may baka pinalitan yung item. Tingnan natin kung anong laman to. Baka sabon to. Sana hindi naman sabon, or maybe folder or notebook. I hope it's not. Oh, it's sana yes, parang weigh scale talaga to. Parang weigh scale. 100% weigh scale. Oh yes, it's a weigh scale. Ano po dito sira? Mayroong manual. Pero ang manual, there's a manual.
Ulit-ulitin ko pa ba?
Read this. There's a Chinese character. I can't read on Chinese. I cannot read Chinese characters, sorry. So disregard the manual. So I just read. Oh, there's some Chinese there in the packaging, in the plastic. But there's an English portion, so I can read the English. So it's a weigh scale, but this is not the item that I ordered online. There's a other version on it, and then that's why maybe there's a tear up on the opening of the box, because maybe they replace it with other items. But it's okay, it's still weighing scale. So guys, tingnan natin sa Shopee kung ano yung item na binili ko sa Shopee, kung tama ba yung description nila, yung picture nila sa website nila, yung si PC Tech. I hope they're not misleading their consumers. Look at in the front, tama talaga, tamang tingnan, parang same sa likod. Pero yung sa likod, tingnan mo. Wow! Misleading talaga. Pero hindi ko na binalik kasi same naman eh, weighing scale. Xiaomi din yung binili ko, baka lower version. I hope it works. I'm trying to test the weighing scale. Wow, it works! And my weight is 85.9 kilos. Oh, damn. I'm so overweight. Right. Thanks. Shout out to all Process Graphics team. Shout out to Lunch TV, Dino TV Vlog, Robot Nasaging, Ervin. Thank you for watching. Thanks.